Hi, my name is Peter Yeo. I'm the business director for Swapit.io, and today I'm here to teach how to set up MetaMask, a step-by-step process. MetaMask is one of the most popular browser extensions that serves as a way of storing your Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens. The extension is free and secure, and it allows web applications to read and interact with Ethereum's blockchain. Step 1. Install MetaMask on your browser. To create a new wallet, you have to first install the extension. Depending on your browser, there are different marketplaces to find it. Most browsers have MetaMask on their App Store, so it's not that hard to see it, but either way, here they are. On Chrome, you can find it on the Web Store. On Firefox, you can find it on the addons.mozilla.org, and in Opera, you can find it in the Opera's addons.opera.com. In this tutorial, I will be using Google Chrome as an example, but the same steps apply to different browsers as well. If for some reason the links above don't work for you, just search MetaMask extension on your favorite search engine, and you can find it there. Click on Install MetaMask as a Google Chrome extension. Click Add to Chrome on the top right-hand corner. A pop-up will come out and prompt you to add MetaMask. Click Add Extension, and it is as easy as that to install the extension on your browser. Now continue reading the next step to figure out how to create an account. Step 2. Create an account. Click on the extension icon in the upper right corner to open MetaMask. To install the latest version and be up to date, click Try it now. Click Continue. Also be sure to grant full access to MetaMask. After the previous step, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Click Create. Proceed by clicking Next and accept the terms of use, and enter in your password with minimum of 8 characters. Review secret words. There you will see a 12 words seed phrase. This is really important and usually not a good idea to store it digitally. So take your secret backup phrase and write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a secure place. Verify your secret phrase by selecting the previously generated phrase in order, and then click Confirm. Now, you have created your MetaMask account successfully. A new Ethereum wallet address has just been created for you. It is waiting for you to deposit funds, and if you want to learn how to do that, look at the next step below. Step number 3. Depositing funds. Click on View Account. You can now see your public address and share it with other people. There are some methods to buy coins offered by MetaMask, but you can do it differently as well. You just need your address. So when you click on View Account, it will show you the address, how to deposit or buy other coins through Coinbase, as well as other partners with MetaMask. The MetaMask extension will always be available on your browser's toolbar, ready for you to continue the journey into the crypto world. It is easily accessible, and as you saw from these steps, simple to use as well. Sending coins is also very intuitive. There is a big send button, and the rest are easily understandable. But in case something wrong happens and you need to restore your account, you have this option. First, you have to back it up, and let's look at how we can do that. How to back up and restore your wallet using the seed phrase. Suppose you change your computer and browser and want to connect to your wallet again. Here is how to do it. First, you have to find your seed phrase, which you may have stored or written on a piece of paper. And now on the new installation of MetaMask wallet, you click on Account icon, click on Settings, click Review Seed Words, and enter your password. So this step will allow you to review your secret recovery phrase, and if you haven't written it down on a piece of paper and stored it securely, this is how you can know your secret recovery phrase and store it securely in order for you to do a restore on a separate device. Now, after you have clicked Review Secret Recovery Phrase, now save the secret seed phrase somewhere, preferably not digitally, maybe written on a piece of paper. The backup is now done, and all you have to do is to learn the restoring process. To do that, open MetaMask and click Import using the account seed phrase. Enter your seed phrase, create a new strong password, and click Restore. And that's it. Now you have successfully restored your account by following these easy steps. I can say that you are fully prepared now to take on the crypto world as far as your wallet management is concerned. Closing thoughts, MetaMask is your bridge to the decentralized web, and it is important you understand how to get prepared for it carefully. Hopefully, this article has helped some of you to find the answers they needed, and if you have a question about the process, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I'll respond to all of you.